Selamat datang to Kuala Lumpur, the food gem of Southeast Asia. This is not only a melting pot of cultures and traditions, it is also one of the most endeared and must-go destinations for foodies from all around the globe. Kuala Lumpur is a diverse, multicultural and exciting place, and this is definitely reflected in the city's vibrant food scene. So drop by to any recommended hotspots, try out some of the palatable local cuisines, shop until you drop, and have a blast at one of the buzzing nightclubs. Get the best experiences through its rich variety of restaurants, street and hawker food. So please, make yourself at home, go on a food adventure and let KL amaze your taste buds. Selamat menjamu selera and make it a friend of the Pasar Seni LRT. And we're gonna have a traditional Indian food, which is banana leaf, and there'll be a little surprise. It's a special thosai coming. Let me just introduce to you what it is first before I even forget, because there's so much food in front of me. Okay, first you have the banana leaf rice, just ordinary banana leaf. There's vegetables and tofu, rice, and there's soup, and this is what they call muru, and it's buttermilk. We have a green thosai. This was a special surprise I was talking about, and it's called the family signature thosai. Apparently it's been passed down by their family, and it's humongously long. Like, okay, this is my arm. It's twice, basically. It's two of my arms. I'm gonna try the rice and the curry first. The curry is very sweet. It's not that spicy. It has a kind of nutty, starchy aftertaste. So we're moving on to this, and this is the green thosai I was talking about. A bit crispy. It's a bit minty as well. Let's try it with the curry sauces. The first one, the white one. Although it's white, it definitely has a small kick to it. And there's a lot of herbs in it. It tastes really herbal. There's a lot of fragrance in this one. It's more spicier, and it goes really well with the mint. And poof, another thosai disappeared. So we're gonna try this big baby right here. And I've mentioned before, this is a signature of this shop. The difference is the thosai has a more plain taste, while the other one is more distinct. And I realize it's a bit crispier, maybe because of its shape. This thosai seems to be a bit more crispier. I tried something new, something special, two special things actually. So, anybody feel like shopping? Because I do. So I'll see you at the next stop. Let's go for some little bit of shopping.